hope until now you are feeling interesting on our first game. We have done three videos already, so we create our new project. We bring the game to life with certain code to make our static stage. And last video we add the collision logic to our bat. So when bat touch a collision with the pipe, or when the byte is dropped to the ground, the game will be ended. And for this video, we will try to finish our first game. We will adjust the pipe size and the location and make that is repeatedly running from left to right so that you are really playing our game. So within this video, we will do some more tactics. One is a randomize vertical position. Secondly, is we will increase or decrease the sprite size of our bat sets on the stage so that it will be convenient for you to play the game. So this we already did. The last video is we drag our bat to a smaller size. And last but not least, we will include additional pipe so that you have the pipe finished one time, then you have another pipe coming. So that is until you lose your game. And we will wrap up a little bit, then we finish this first chapter. So I hope you enjoy until now. Let's continue to our code. So we already have our 1.4. So again, so if you come to the GitHub, go to this first link with this book, and I have already put our code here. So chapter 1, so you can see our 3 code already. So every code is represent to our different stage of the video. So you can come to that. And also in this README, this book's README, I put 2 videos link which already published to the YouTube channel so that you can watch those historical video directly, or you can go with my you are already on my channel, so you can switch the video to back to some earlier steps if you want to do some review. So let's go to this one. So what we will do is do the adjustment. So before increasing the hole size, consider another thing that the pipe should do. Part of the challenge from the original game comes from not knowing whether the hole will be happen, because now whenever we play, so you can see this always, let's make that higher, so always coming from this size, but that is not the happen. This should be random. So sometimes the hole is at this position, some is here, so we just need to ensure we give more challenge to the game. So what we can do, the simulate are random. So we will click our pipe. And consider here. So this is our pipe. So and we can make that a little longer. Later we will adjust our sprite to a smaller. So then that will be working fine. So first click our sprite and click code. And make that smaller. So then drag and pick random block into the Y. So we have this one. So this is our the collision block. So we will do adjust on here. So before we go to directly here, we will adjust the Y. So Y is not always the 0. So let's see, it's green. So green means operation. So let's click operation, pick random. Pick random is here. So pick random from where to where? So it's from -75 to 75. So remember, earlier we have one video to show you. This is our stage coordinates value. So the bottom is -180. the top y is positive 180. So what we will do is we will make that randomly to the minus 75 because it will be dropped to 75, and then we will see this. So let's have a look. So if I make here, so you can see here, oh, but our bed is not dropped. So you can see, so this is not running so correctly. So let's see, pick up this one, go to minus this, change. Oh, so let's see, change x by 4. So it's like this. Oh, it's difference, right? It's difference. Yeah, it's kind of a difference, but now it's let's see. So why is our sprite is not dropped? So forever. So one space, click and change y by minus 5. Wait 0. Next 2. So it's this one, right? Oh, I should not click 1. So I think I should deselect the game. Then it's so I know. So I think it's I make this disconnected. So forever. So let's back to here. Our bat the drop. So minus gravity. So change this one space and this one click. So we haven't why here is I make that different. I think we miss one. So I didn't delete that, I think. So let's see. So run this. Now run. Okay, so now it's drop, but it's my bat is too huge. So let's do this again. So we already have that first one. So random. So now our pipe is changing the position, and we will increase size of the sprite. You can use the grow. Decrease is the shrink. But in the version 3, I see there's not have that icon anymore. It just if you click the sprite, you can use this one, and you just have this size. Let's make our byte is smaller. So let's use this 80. So that is easier to play the game. Yeah, you can see here. Now is I make this. Very good. And we will include the last activities. Now our game is when pipe go to the most right. There's nothing, so you can continue fly your bat, but you have nothing to play. So we need another pipe coming, but we don't need to create additional pipe. Instead, is we just need a repeat. So once the player successfully flies through the hole, when the pipe is reached the most right edge, let's make this pipe starting from left again. So that is something additional logic we will create on the pipe. So let's click pipe and the code. So when click, go to this random, and forever change x to by 4, and then we will detect whether this x is coming to the most right. Remember, right is 280. So let's do another the check control. So if we just need here, if x position, so x position is, let me see, x position here, so is this one, but you cannot put that inside here because the shape is not same. We need this blue one. Blue one is the operation. We need to have something and do the logical check. So this one is the more than, so x position more than 280. Then what we will do is we let our pipe go to the most left. So actually it's this one. So we can switch this, and you can have this and duplicate that. So putting that here, then you can reconnect your block. Let's see what, yeah, you can see here. Now every time is in the difference. So let's do our playing. So you can see here, like this make. So how's your feeling? So you are actually is create your game. So and the pipe is randomly go to the different parts, and you can add more challenge. I lose. So once you have this every time, maybe you can make this pipe size change. But that is not our purpose for this chapter. If you go to here, I should say congratulations is you are finishing your first video games. You can save these, you can publish these to the, let's see, so this will be 1.5, published to the Scratch websites, and also share with your friends. So you can treat this as your the first work. And for the next video, we will create our own comics. So let's go to our mind map. So we finished the chapter 1, and we will go to the chapter 2 from next video. I hope it's after the video you can review these 4 steps code and to get some ideas on what we have done, what we practice on this first chapter. And we will use those skills definitely in the later chapters, and you will gradually have more and more powerful tool on hand, I believe, for becoming our Scratch designer. So stay tuned and see you in the next chapter. Bye for now.